we got turbo decals for the side of this 996 turbo in the Porsche script, and then we're just going to measure them up, put them on. So what I've found, obviously this wasn't a thing on this car, but on a current one, they say to be 30 mil back from the edge of the door. So I've just got that piece of tape measured, and by the time you add that space to it, it's 30 mil back, and you want to be 28 mil from the bottom edge of the door. So that's the specs on the GTS 4.0 stickers. So we're going to measure the tape for the bottom now and put that on, so it's 20, well, about 28 from the bottom, and then we can peel and stick. So all we did was just clean this up. We used some wax and grease remover and wiped it down, just get rid of any of the wax and coatings that we have on this car. And it's shiny, you can see me there. And we'll just stick her on. It's just a peel and stick die cut. These are off Etsy. I'll put a link in the description below so you can get yours. And of course, they do every single Porsche sticker imaginable. So let's tape up the rest and get it stuck on. All right, with that tape there, and put the sticker and have a look. We'll tape that in. Actually, we'll tape that in place. Get a little piece of tape. And just have a look. Where is that going to be? That should be about right. Same red, matches the calipers on the 996 turbo. So we'll peel and stick, and that so the tape is about 25 or so millimeters thick, and then there's of course the edge to the sticker, and that should be spot on. Okay, so die cut sticker sticks on the front, and we just peel off the backing, and we'll line it up. And we'll just get this corner, front corner kind of started. As long as the sticker was made straight, it'll be straight. And you just want to go over the letters and then give them a minute to adhere, because it's just a sticker. And peel. And we're going to peel it back, not straight back, but on an angle, so it make sure that it releases clean. Now, something I always do when I do the sticker is grab the backing, and that side's a bit sticky, that side's not, and I'll just lightly slide that over, particularly the corners, because they're always the parts that are going to lift up. All the points of the letters will lift up, so we want to keep that down as flat as we can. That looks done. Remove our tape. That's pretty good. And I'll get out of this reflection and step back. Nice little hit of color in that, yeah, classic Porsche script. So this is where the sticker came from, a pretty sweet HKS pattern there. You see their Etsy, Facebook, eBay store. FantasyWorks, fantasyworks.jp, but yeah, I'll put the link in the description so you can just click it and check it out. But yeah, pretty cool. Seemed like a decent quality sticker. Now we're just doing the other side. So this is obviously the opposite. So we got the T there, but it's the same distance from the edge of the sticker to the edge of the backing. And we masked it up the same with that tape, and see that that's the tape. I'll put a link to this tape, or a similar tape of the same width, because it's a really good distance. It is how wide? Oop. There we go. The tape itself is about 22 or 23 millimeters wide, or just under an inch if you use that measurement. There you go, that's the width of the tape I'm using. and it's pretty spot on. And you see, so I'm not following obviously the angle, but I'm going from that corner straight up. My body's not, the phone's not straight up. There we go, straight up, and then of course using the edge of the door there for that line. Now I'm gonna ask you for a favor. It's not a big one, but to justify me doing these car videos to the missus, can you please just like the video? I mean, you don't need to subscribe, that's fine. But if you found it useful, remotely entertaining, just somewhat interesting, just hit the like button and I can justify my existence and my time and money spent on toys to the missus. That's it.